Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gateway Solutions. How are you? Hope you all are safe and sound. Today this is our 21st video of our course Linux for Beginner 2021. In this video we are going to talk about what is head and tail command in Linux with example. Before starting a class, I am requesting to you please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for notification of upcoming videos. In the previous lecture, we saw the less command of Linux. In this course, I am using Kali Linux, which is Debian based distributions. In a Linux, getting a portion of text from input files is a common operation. There are two basic and widely used command line utilities to output some part of the text from the input, the head and the tail command. Both the head and the tail command are member of GNU Core utility package. They are by default installed in all Linux distributions. As their name implies, that head command will output the first part of the file, while the tail command will print the last part of the file. Both commands write the result to the standard output. Syntax. The syntax of head and tail command is pretty straightforward. Head space option space file name. Same tail space option space file name. We have a -n option which is very useful to us. We can let the head command and tail command output the first number of lines instead of default 10. Means to say we can get output as a specific number of lines. Okay, in this slide I am using 7. That mean head command shows first 7 lines and the tail command will show last 7 lines. We can also handle a multiple files with the tail and head command. You can run command head space first file name space second file. The output is the first 10 lines of both files are shown, and if we uses it on the tail command, then the last 10 lines will be shown by default. If we want to show the specific lines from the files, then we can use -n option and specifying a lines to show head and tail command. Let's perform practical. So start your Linux machine and open the terminal. Open your terminal. First check the files with ls command. We have two files. One is states and cities. We are going to use these two files in our example. I will show you the text of both files with the help of cat command so you can understand the command better. Cat space stats states. Okay, this file contains the list of all states of my country India and having 28 lines. Okay, second file is cities. In this file we have city names of my state, that is Punjab. Okay, let's see the head and tail command. By default, let's perform head command by default. Head space states and press enter. As you see, this will show us first 10 lines of our file. In a next example, run head command with specific number of lines. Suppose we want to see 15 lines from the file. To do so, you can use -n option with number of lines you want to see. In this example, we are going to show the 15 lines from our file. Okay, this command shows us first 15 lines from our file. Let's handle a multiple files. Run again ls command. As you see, we have two files, city and states. Now let's output the first 5 lines from both files. So run command head space hyphen n space number of lines space name of file. Okay, press enter. As you see, these 5 lines from cities file and these are from state file. Okay, so we can handle multiple files with head command. Okay, go forward and check the tail command. By default, tail command will be work with last 5 lines. Clear screen, then run again command. Tail states. This will show the output of last 10 lines. We can do the same all things with the tail command as we done previously. If you want to see a specific line, then run -n space line numbers. Okay, these are last 5 lines. We can also handle multiple files with the tail command. So same syntax is here, tail -n number of lines, first file name and second file name. Okay friends, in this video we are demonstrated the head and tail command. You can use man or help for more options. Hope you understand about the head and tail command of Linux. If you have any query, you can comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you again in next video. Bye.